This is the app on the Apple Watch. It's launching, so you can see it right here. So the app has 4 parts. The first part is food, groceries, tickets, and the chatbot. So you can see right there. So basically, it's a chatbot that lets you talk to your watch, and it will order things like, can order you food, order you groceries. It can do all of that. So if I wanted food, if I tapped on the food section, okay, it's gonna ask me for my location. I allow while using the app.
What would you like to order?
I go pizza.
Would you like to pick up or have it delivered?
And I can tell it delivered. It's now going to find me restaurants around my location that have the particular item that I've ordered. So I'm just gonna wait for a few seconds and it should come back with a bunch of restaurants around here. So if I picked up, say, Subway, you can see Pizza Sub. It's one of the items right there, and I can just select it, add it here, and yep, I've got my Pizza Sub in my menu. I can go to the checkout. It wants it lists a bunch of addresses that I actually have on my account, so I can select this one, for example. And if I say place the order, so I can now try to place the order. This is a test account, so it's not, of course, it's not active. So you can actually see how that works. Now, the other thing too is I can go back to that shopping cart and I can clear the cart right there. So I have no items in my shopping cart. So if I go back, sorry, my watch is a bit slow there. So I have the groceries is the same like the food. It's similar in the same functionality, but the other functionality you need to look at is tickets.
How can I help?
And the chatbot. So if I go for tickets, for example, I can tap on this now, say get me tickets, and it will find me tickets for the events that are around my location. You can see there's a Coachella event happening here, so I can purchase a ticket, and I will get a link in my email to complete the process. So that's with the ticketing site. Now the chatbot basically lets you ask questions.
Hello, how are you?
So I can now say, I am fine. What is red, for example? And I can ask it a question, and it will interface with the machine learning
Red
model.
Is the color of the ripe
and
apple,
it
the
will,
warmth of a sunset.
yeah,
and the
I have the
passion of a
chatbot
rose.
there. So this is pretty useful for users. Then of course I have my wallet. Here you can check your balance. So there's an accompanying app that goes with this, so you can check. I can add funds to that wallet if I have the app, the PayTalk app, and all that. Yeah. So the last thing you want to say is the microphone. So the microphone lets you speak. So if I go in here, it asks me what do I like to do. I can say, order me coffee from Starbucks and have it delivered. So you can just talk to it. That's the beauty about PayTalk, and it's going to find me a Starbucks around my location that has the particular product that I asked for in this case, which will be coffee. So let's see if it returns anything. I don't know if you will find any stores here. There's Starbucks. Okay, cool. There's a Starbucks right there, and I can see. I can select the item I asked for, coffee, and I can add this to my cart just like you did before. So yep, this is PayTalk on the Apple Watch, and I hope you find it interesting. Thank you.